Topic 6, Energetics, Introducing Enthalpy and Enthalpy Change. Learning objectives: be able to define enthalpy change and standard conditions. Be able to define what we mean by standard enthalpy of reaction. Enthalpy is a measure of total energy of a system. The system here means the reaction mixture, and surrounding is the air solution in which the reaction is taking place. Enthalpy change of a process is simply heat energy that is transferred between the system and the surrounding at constant pressure. Standard enthalpy change of a reaction, this is the enthalpy change that occurs when equation quantities materials react under standard conditions. Exothermic and endothermic processes and reaction. Exothermic reaction or processes, this is where heat energy is transferred from the system to the surrounding. It has a negative value. Endothermic, where heat energy is transferred from the surrounding to the system, it has a positive value. Examples of exothermic reactions, we have freezing of water, dissolving sodium hydroxide in water, reaction between dilute hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, and definitely combustion of petrol. Examples of endothermic reaction, we have melting of ice, evaporating water, reaction between dilute ethanoic acid and sodium hydrogen carbonates, and photosynthesis. Now, using the enthalpy level diagram to represent exothermic and endothermic reaction. For exothermic, you can see the reactants have more energy compared to the products, so they're higher on the diagram compared to the products. For endothermic, the reactants will have a lower starting energy compared to the products. A summary of the learning objectives: defining enthalpy change, and also being able to state the standard conditions, where the standard conditions are 100 kilopascals of pressure and the temperature of 298 kilopascal. Understanding that enthalpy change is simply transfer of energy from the system to the surrounding or the other way around. Be able to define what we mean by standard enthalpy of a reaction, which is the enthalpy change that occurs when equation quantities, materials react under standard conditions. That is part 1. Thank you.